All right, welcome back to the Campfire. I'm Stu Saunders.
I'm Ash Bear.
Camp founder and owner.
Camp
director extraordinaire over here. And during the summer, Ash and I love to spend time with your campers. And to make that experience amazing, we have some tips to help you get your camper there safely and enjoy their time there. And today's episode is going to be all about, and we're going to just hit the button one more time. And one more time. Here we go. We are here. This episode is called Packing for Camp.
Yes.
This is imperative that you pack well so that you
can camp well.
Yeah. So Ash, let's talk about the
pack.
best way to
Let's
pack
unpack
for camp.
packing.
Let's unpack packing. Go.
Unpacking packing. Perfect. So just a couple tips with packing, which we've noticed in the last couple years that are important tips. One is let your camper be a part of the packing process. Even if they are the first year at camp, maybe they're going into grade 2, so like 6 or 7 years old, and that might be a little bit of a daunting task for a 6 or 7 year old, 100%, but definitely include them in that journey, in that packing journey, because that's all a part of camp. One of the reasons we encourage that is because when a camper knows what they pack, it's easier when they're at camp to be a little bit more independent. And we also find that if they know what they're packing, they know what to pack to go home. So there's less things in the lost and found. So they're going to come home with more of their clothes if they know what's in the bag. Another thing is, I know it's really common and popular and really awesome to kind of separate outfits for the campers while they're at camp and kind of pack them in a certain order, but allow your camper to know that it's okay if they wear their Wednesday outfit on a Monday, because sometimes campers are quickly getting changed, and that causes a little bit of anxiety and stress when it doesn't have to be there. Another thing I would recommend when packing for camp would be not to just go out and buy your campers all new things to wear at camp. One, the clothes are going to get really dirty. Your best Hollister.
Don't wear your best Hollister outfit to camp.
Don't do that. But also, sometimes when you buy those new products and then send them right to camp, your camper doesn't remember or know that they own those products. So then that also fills our lost and found, and then you, as a parent, might be a little upset that that didn't come back home with them. So there's a little bit of unawareness there. So definitely make sure your camper is involved in the packing process. Check out our packing list. If you have any questions about the packing list, send us an email. We're happy to help you, but it's a pretty simple packing list. And also, if you're going to buy new things before you come to camp for your camper, make sure they know that they own those new things, because sometimes they forget.
Couple few more things. Remember, number one, age specific. Younger campers tend to not want to change their clothes at all, and older campers want to change their clothes a lot. We do have one great event at camp each session, which is our banquet or our Fancy Feast Friday. So it's great to pack an outfit that's kind of fancy, but not like the one they're going to wear to the family wedding. And for older campers, they might pick that themselves, but it's always great to have something specific they want to wear. Also, if the kids have costumes for twin days, which they dress up with a friend, they'll meet at camp probably.
Costumes are strongly
encouraged. Costumes are great, yeah. And also remember to pack 2 toothbrushes, a backup toothbrush as well. This is something I've learned over the last few years, Ash Bear, is they often younger campers especially will lose their first toothbrush. Having a backup toothbrush,
there you go.
It's like so much anxiety is gone, because kids always they're like, brush your teeth when you're at camp, and they lose it, and they're like, we do have toothbrushes in the tuck shop, but we'll talk about that in another episode. So packing's important for your camper to be have a successful time at camp.
Of course.
And that's it. So until next time, I'm Stu.
I'm Ash.
And we'll see you around the campfire.